Wanted man detained and 3 guns seized at funeral of reputed gangster in Clarendon.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, several persons of interest who were attending the burial of a Clarendon wanted man was detained on Wednesday the 21st of April in the Woodside area of the parish in connection with the seizure of 3 illegal weapons. The police say they were monitoring the burial of FitzroyCoore, otherwise called OJ, about 11:30 a.m. when they observed what they called suspicious activities. It triggered a joint police-military raid. The police say 1 Smith & Wesson pistol, 1 single-action Browning pistol, and a Winchester shotgun, along with several rounds of ammunition were recovered and a car seized. Coore was the reputed leader of the Lion Paw Bushman gang and was killed in a confrontation with the Manchester police in May Day in December of 2020.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!